Hey guys, welcome to this another Tech Bite with Cloud Devta. Today let's talk about prompt engineering, a really interesting and hot topic. Now, when you talk about the AI language models, they play a really important role in various applications. But to truly harness their potential, we need to master the art of prompt engineering. Now, what is prompt engineering? It is actually the art of crafting effective instruction or queries to get the desired responses from the language models. So you must have interacted with ChatGPT, Bard AI by writing certain prompts. Let's say you would like to create a resume. So you would enter a prompt like, help me in creating a resume for, let's say, director of strategy. So those sort of prompts really help you to get the proper responses. Now, the more informative and relevant your prompt would be, more accurate result you will be able to get out of the model. Let's say you are using ChatGPT, so whatever is the desired output, to be able to make it more accurate and relevant, you have to provide the quality prompt. So, as we mentioned, it can ensure accuracy, relevance, control over like biasing. So, inherent bias that is there that can also be controlled through these prompt, right? Now, with good prompt, you can improve the quality of model output as well as address the biases inherent in underlying data. This we already talked about. Now, very apart from the example that we have already talked about, let me show you a few other examples to see how prompt engineering actually works or how your prompt changes the responses. So I just wrote grass is blank. So the response that I got from ChatGPT was quite very exhaustive in terms of the explanation and very detailed. Then I had to make it more narrower. I wrote it like this: complete the sentence, grass is. So the response that I got was, grass is versatile plant that serves numerous ecological, functional, and aesthetic purposes in various ecosystems. Now, this again was quite complex in terms of understanding. I wanted to make it more simple. So, what I wrote is, complete the sentence and keep it simple. Grass is blank. So, this time the response was more accurate or more towards my desired outcome. So, this is how you see that each time, or the real input that you are giving to these AI tools actually does matter a lot in terms of what type of output you will get. So this is what prompt engineering is. It's more of a soft skill where you have to be very accurate. You have to be specific. You have to provide the context, what type of desired outcome you need. You have to control and mitigate the biasness from the input that will also result in a good output. So all those things encompasses the overall area of prompt engineering. Nowadays, if you talk about, there are a lot of tools which are coming in to create these prompt. One of these tools that I want to talk about is Snack Prompt. So if you have heard about Snack Prompt, it's one of a great tool which is available online too, and a lot of people are generating different type of prompts there, and creating templates for you to be able to interact with ChatGPT or Bard AI to generate some very specific or desired outcomes, or desired results. For example, I found this one for personal trainer. So like you would be seeking personal trainer advice from ChatGPT. So you, instead of writing a very simple prompt like, give me let's say a personal advice on my meal plan and my exercise plan, this prompt is very specific. So it talks about ChatGPT assuming a role, let's say a fitness GPT, and then you are providing some very specific information like your age, gender, height, medical condition, your fitness goals, health goals, how many days a week you can work, and all those things. And then you get the best outcome out of this. All right. Thanks for joining. In the second part of this series, I'll be bringing some more specific on practical application of prompt engineering, best practices, and other things.